So you want to make sure your vegetables are completely clean, rinsed off. I actually scrubbed each one individually, but now that I'm using that hand to record, so I'm just showing you guys that you have to wash your vegetables, okay? Alrighty. So I'm starting off with 6 cups of flour and a 1/3 cup of sugar. So I'm gonna put that sugar in there. And then we need, so initially I thought I was gonna use 2 carrots. So now the dough is ready to be covered, and I'm gonna let it sit, okay, for about 30 minutes, or we'll see how long it takes, and allow the dough to rise, okay? And then you'll see the next step, and then we'll just shove it back in, then let it rise again, and then make balls to cook it up. So when you're done kneading the bread, like for the second time, to look faging, I'm gonna cover it one last time, and then after it has ready for that second time, then I'm gonna put it in, I'm gonna ball it up and put it in a cup, and that's when we're going to boil it. Okay, so now it's going to boil like that for 45 minutes. That's how long it takes, 45 minutes, okay? Bismillah. I'm gonna leave it alone, and it can get bigger, no, we better, for 45 minutes. 45 minutes have passed, but it does not look cooked. So that's why I'm adding more water. I'm about to boil it up again because there's that little piece right there. You see that? It doesn't look cooked. So I gotta cook that up. Well, it's cooking much faster with the cup than it did when I had that bread tin. So, yep, if you wanna make UJEQE, 75 mish. Use a mug, not that thing. It's working so much better. Look how quickly it's cooking.